Om Shakti. Today, as Navaratri begins, we bow to Shailaputri, the daughter of the mountain. Riding on her bull, holding the trident and lotus, she blesses us with strength, purity, and new beginnings. So far, we've been learning one shloka a day, slowly and beautifully, up to the 7th verse. From today, to help us learn a little faster, we'll be combining two shlokas in one episode. Do you want to listen to today's story?
Yeah.
We are combining two episodes and I will tell you the story of two shlokas and let's repeat two shlokas, okay?
Okay.
One day, Devi's lion leapt into battle. The ground shook as armies clashed. Her anklets jingled with each step, and her golden arrows flashed like lightning. The mighty demons roared, but they were no match for her. She led her fourfold army, chariots, elephants, cavalry, and foot soldiers, filling the battlefields with victory cries. Meanwhile, far away, the divine maidens, the Apsaras, saw this great sights. With joy in their hearts, with joy in their hearts, they danced and clapped to the beats of drums.
Who played drums?
So,
Who?
the soldiers.
How?
Dum 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 dum, dimikita dikita dhukukuta dhukuta, like that. Their music filled the heavens, celebrating the Devi's power. Now you want to say the shloka related to this story?
Yeah.
Dhanuranu Shanga
Dhanuranu Shanga
Ranakshana
Ranakshana
Sanga
Sanga
Parispura
Parispura
Dhanga
Danga
Natatkatake
Nanatkakate
Natat
Natat
Katake
Katake
Kanakapishanga
Kanakapi Shanga
Prushaka
Prishatka
Nishanga
Nishanga
Rasat Bhata Shringa
Satapa
Rasat
Rasat
Bhata
Vete
Shringa
Hinge
Hata Batuke.
Hata Bakate
You like complex words? Krita Chaturanga
Krita Chaku
Ranga
Rangi
Balakshiti Ranga
Barakshiti
Ranga
Rangi
Gatat Bahu
Gadak Baku
Ranga
Ranga
Ratat Batuke.
Patak Bakake
Ratat
Ratat
Batuke.
Batuke
Jaya Jaya He
Jaya Jaya He
Mahishasura
Mahishasura
Mardini
Mardini
Ramyakapartini
Ramyakapartini
Shailasute
Shailasute
Suralalanata
Suralalada
Tatei Tatei
Taterita
Kritabhinayodara Nrityakare
Kritabi
Nayodara
Nayodara
Nrityarate
Brityarate
Nritya
Nrityananate
Krita Kukuta
Krita Kukuta
Kukuto Gad Kukuto
Kukuto
Gadadadi
Gadadadi
Katala Kutuhala
Kata ರಿತಿತೂಹಲ
ಗಾನರತೆ
ಗಾನರತೆ
ಧುಧುಕುಟ ಧುಕ್ಕುಟ
ದುರುಗುತ ದುಕ್ಕುತ
ದಿಧಿಮಿತ
ದಿದಿಮಿತ
ಧ್ವನಿಧೀರ
ಧ್ವನಿಧಿರ
ಮೃದಂಗ
ಮೃದಂಗ
ನಿನಾದರತೆ
ನಿನಾದರತೆ
ಜಯ ಜಯ ಹೇ
ಜಯ ಜಯ ಹೇ
महिषासुरमर्दिनि
ಮಹಿಷಾಸುರ ಮರ್ದಿನಿ
रम्यकपर्दिनि
ರಮ್ಯಕಪರ್ದಿನಿ
शैलसुते.
ಶೈಲಸುತೆ.
Now let's go to the line by line meaning of today's shlokas. धनुरणु संगरणक्षण संग परिस्फुरदंग नटत्कटके. With her bowstring vibrating and her bracelets flashing, Devi moves with fearless grace in the midst of battle. Kanakapishanga prishat kanishanga rasat bhat shringa hatabatuke. Her golden hued arrows strike the demon chiefs with blazing power like thunderbolts splitting the sky. Krita chaturanga balakshiti-ranga gatat bahuranga ratat batuke. She commands her fourfold army of chariots, elephants, cavalry, and foot soldiers, filling the battlefield with victory cries. Jaya Jaya He Mahishasuramardhini Ramyakapartini Shailasute. Victory to you, O Mahishasuramardhini, radiant daughter of the mountain. Let's chant this verse twice together, once flowing like a song and once slowly so it stays in our hearts. Dhanuranu sangaranakshana sanga parispuradanga natatkatake. Kanakapishanga prishat kanishanga rasat भटशृङ्ग हटावटुके. कृतचतुरङ्ग बलक्षितिरङ्ग घटत् बहुरङ्ग रटत् बटुके. जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते. धनुरणुर् संगरणक्षण संग परिस्फुरदंग नटत्कटके. कनकपिशंग पृषत् कनिशंग रसत् भटशृंग हटाबटुके. कृतचतुरंग बलक्षितिरंग घटत् बहुरंग रटत् बटुके. जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते. Let's go to the 9th verse. Surallalana tatatheyi tatheyi kritabhinayodara nrityarate. The celestial maidens dance in delight, their hands weaving graceful mudras in devotion. Krita kukuta kukuto gadadadikatala kutuhala ganarate. Their voices sparkle in playful songs, full of love and wonder for the goddess. Dhudhukuta dhuk कुट धिम धिमित ध्वनि धीर मृदंग निनादरते. The mridangas thunder, dhudukuta dhukkuta dhim dhimita, their deep rhythms filling the heaven. Jaya Jaya He Mahishasuramardhini रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते. Victory to you, O Mahishasuramardhini, O shining daughter of the mountain. Let's chant this verse twice too, feeling like a joyful dance, then slowly so that every sound lingers in us. Suralalana tatateyi tateyi kritabhinayodara nrityarate krita kukuta ಕುಕುತೋ ಗಡದಾದಿಕ ತಾಲ ಕುತೂಹಲ ಗಾನರತೆ ಧುಧುಕುಟ ಧುಕ್ಕುಟ ಧಿಂ ಧಿಮಿತತ್ವನಿ ಧೀರ ಮೃದಂಗ ನಿನಾದರತೆ. ಜಯ ಜಯ ಹೇ ಮಹಿಷಾಸುರಮರ್ದಿನಿ ರಮ್ಯಕಪರ್ದಿನಿ ಶೈಲಸುತೆ. ಸುರಲಲನಾ ತತಥೇಯಿ ತಥೇಯಿ ಕೃತಾಭಿನಯೋದರ ನೃತ್ಯರತೆ ಕೃತಕುಕುತ ಕುಕುತೋ ಗಡದಾದಿಕ ತಾಲ ಕುತೂಹಲ ಗಾನರತೆ ಧುಧುಕುಟ ಧುಕ್ಕುಟ ಧಿಂ ಧಿಮಿತಧ್ವನಿ ಧೀರ ಮೃದಂಗ ನಿನಾದರತೆ. ಜಯ ಜಯ ಹೇ ಮಹಿಷಾಸುರಮರ್ದಿನಿ ರಮ್ಯಕಪರ್ದಿನಿ ಶೈಲಸುತೆ. Now that we have chanted verses 8 and 9, let's take a gentle walk back and revise the first 7 shlokas. Click on the link or the info icon to visit the chanting videos for verses 1 to 7 and chant along. Each one reminds us of Devi's courage, strength, and love for the universe. As we chant, feel how every verse is like a step in her story. Now let's chant verses 8 and 9 together. Dhanuranu sangarana ಸಂಗ ಪರಿಸ್ಫುರ ದಂಗನಟತ್ ಕಟಕೆ ಕನಕ ಪಿಶಂಗ ಪೃಷತ್ ಕನಿಶಂಗ ರಸತ್ ಭಟ ಶೃಂಗ ಹಟಾವಟುಕೆ ಕೃತ ಚತುರಂಗ ಬಲಕ್ಷಿತಿರಂಗ ಘಟತ್ ಬಹು ರಂಗರಟತ್ ಭಟುಕೆ. ಜಯ ಜಯ ಹೇ ಮಹಿಷಾಸುರಮರ್ದಿನಿ ರಮ್ಯಕಪರ್ದಿನಿ ಶೈಲಸುತೆ. ಸುರಲಲನಾ ತತಥೇಯಿ ತಥೇಯಿ ಕೃತಾಭಿನಯೋದರ ನೃತ್ಯರತೆ ಕೃತಕುಕುತ ಕುಕುತೋ ಗಡದಾದಿಕ ತಾಲ ಕುತೂಹಲ ಗಾನರತೆ ಧುಧುಕುಟ ಧುಕ್ಕುಟ ಧಿಂ ಧಿಮಿತಧ್ವನಿ ಧೀರ ಮೃದಂಗ ನಿನಾದರತೆ. ಜಯ ಜಯ ಹೇ ಮಹಿಷಾಸುರಮರ್ದಿನಿ ರಮ್ಯಕಪರ್ದಿನಿ ಶೈಲಸುತೆ. As we close this first day of Navaratri, we remember Shailaputri, the mountain's daughter who teaches us to begin with strength, simplicity and faith. Her spirit flows through these shlokas too. Just as Devi rides into battle with steadiness and grace, may we also face life with balance and courage. May Devi bless you with courage like her lion, clarity like her shining arrows, joy like the apsaras who dance in her praise, and steadiness like the mountain she was born from. Let your day flow with rhythm and grace. May your heart stay anchored in love, and may your steps always move forward with strength. If this offering touched you, please like, share and subscribe so together we spread Devi's blessings further. Om Shakti.